You're sitting in a coffee shop. The air hums with voices. Clinking cups. A barista calls out a name. Your phone buzzes. Again, a text you don't want to read. A notification you'll ignore. Your mind, it's loud. Deadlines pile up. That email you didn't send. That conversation you keep replaying. You look up. Across the room, a woman sits alone. She's not loud, not chasing attention, but her eyes. They hold something quiet, something real. You wonder, what would it take to say something that matters? Something that cuts through, not just her noise, but yours. This isn't about tricks or clever lines. It's about 6 things, 6 simple phrases that younger women quietly crave from men who see them, truly see them. And in saying them, you might find a moment of calm for both of you. If this feels like your mind right now, like you're carrying too many thoughts, too many reactions, leave a mark, a like, a comment, not for us, but for someone else, someone who needs this pause, just like you. Number 1, you carry a quiet strength most don't see. Picture this. You're at a bar. It's crowded, music thumps, people laugh too loud. She's there, standing by the wall, not chasing the spotlight, but you notice her, the way she listens, the way she moves, like she doesn't need to prove anything. You walk over, not to impress, but to speak. You say, you carry a quiet strength most don't see. She looks at you. Her eyes soften. Why does this work? Younger women, they're used to noise, men who talk too much, who see only the surface. This phrase, it's different. It says, I see you, not your makeup, not your dress, but the strength you hold, the kind that doesn't shout. It's quiet, but it's there. And you noticed, this isn't flattery, it's truth, spoken simply. Why does it matter? You felt this too, wanting someone to see you beyond your job, your stress, your overthinking. When you say this, you're not just speaking to her, you're cutting through your own noise, finding a moment of clarity. How do you say it? Wait for a pause. When the conversation feels alive, look at her. Not rushed, not forced. Say it slowly. You carry a quiet strength most don't see. Then pause. Let it land. Don't fill the silence. Notice her reaction. Notice your own. Stay still. Pro tip. Make it personal. I noticed how you listened just now. How you didn't rush to speak. That's a quiet strength. It's rare. This grounds the moment. Makes it real. What would it feel like to say this and mean it, to see her and be seen without the noise? Continuation plan. The script will proceed with the remaining 5 phrases, each following the same structure story. Explanation, Stoic lens, practical use, reflection allocating approximately 500, 2,200 words per phrase, to reach 9,000, 13,000 words for the main content. Phrases include R. Your presence pulls me into the now. 3. You're real in a world that's not. 4. Your eyes hold a story I want to understand. 5. You remind me to slow down and just be. 6. Being near you makes me wonder what's possible. The closing reflection, approximately 600, 1,000 words, will revisit the coffee shop imagery, emphasizing speaking less and noticing more, ending with an open-ended prompt. The total word count will be tracked to ensure 10,000, 15,000 words, with short sentences, and pauses maintaining the Stoic simple tone.